What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to download and install Fortnite on your laptop and PC, and trust me, the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to head over to your laptop or your PC now. Now on your laptop, first things first, you want to make sure you're connected to the internet, then proceed to open up any browser of your choice. In my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser over here. Now once your browser loads, at the top search bar, you want to go ahead and search for Epic Games. Now, in case you do not know, Epic Games is actually the company that developed Fortnite. So you just want to go ahead and search for Epic Games, just like so, and then go ahead and click on the first link over here. Now, once the page loads, you want to just come over to the top and then click on the download button at the top. This is actually going to download the Epic Games store into your laptop or PC. And while it is downloading, you want to go ahead and create an Epic Games account if you do not already have an account, because that is actually going to be what you're going to use to sign into the Fortnite game once it is downloaded and installed. So you can just go ahead and create an account from over here by simply clicking on the create an account option at the bottom of the page. I already have an account, so I won't be creating an account. Now once it is downloaded and installed, from here you can literally see mine has been downloaded. You want to go ahead and open up your file explorer and then come over to downloads, and over here you should be able to find the Epic Games store that has just been downloaded and installed into your laptop or PC. You can go ahead and double click it to open it up. Now just go ahead and click on the install button over here, and now the Epic Games launcher or Epic Games store is now being downloaded into our laptop or PC. You're going to be asked whether you want this app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click on yes. And now the launcher is installing into our laptop or PC. During the installation of all of the necessary files that is needed for the Epic Games launcher or store to be installed into your laptop, you're also going to be asked whether you want the Epic Games online services to make some changes to your laptop or PC. Just go ahead and give it that permission as well. And once the setup is completed, you're going to see this Epic Games logo on your laptop. It will also start downloading some updates. You also want to make sure you give it some few minutes to complete the download. It will also start installing the launcher prerequisites, and your laptop is also going to ask you whether you want that to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and give it that permission and you're good to go. Now once the installation is completed, you can go ahead and close your file explorer now, and your laptop should automatically launch the Epic Games launcher or Epic Games store on your device. So you just want to go ahead and sign into the account that you have created or the account you already have. I'll go ahead and select my email and then just click on the continue button over here to sign in with my email account. At this point, you just want to go ahead and click on this check button over here, then click on accept. Now you're going to be shown the installation location on your laptop or PC, and then you also want to choose whether you want auto update, and then for your installed apps to create shortcuts on your laptop or PC, just go ahead and click on install once you're done. And now we have been signed into the Epic Games store on our laptop or PC. You just want to go ahead and look for Fortnite now. You want to just come over to the top search bar and then just go ahead and search for Fortnite. And from the search results, you can literally see the Fortnite game over here. It is absolutely free. You just want to go ahead and select it. Now on the right hand side, you should be able to find the get button over here. Just go ahead and click on get. Now finally, the Fortnite game will start downloading and installing into your laptop or PC at this particular point. Once you come over to the libraries tab over here, you should be able to see your download progress. Once the game is downloaded and installed, it is actually going to create a shortcut on your laptop, and from there you can now proceed to play Fortnite on your laptop or PC, and it's going to work out pretty well for you.